Today is gonna be a super day! Woof. Laddu, you look super ready today!
Yes! Let's find someone to help!
After helping, can we eat snacks?
Hey, little friend. Why are you sad? I lost my mom.
Don't worry. Team Laddu will find your mom.
Footprints. This way.
And I smell perfume. Not food, sadly.
Check every corner. She must be close.
I see someone ahead.
Woof. Woof. We found her daughter. Oh, thank you, brave little puppy.
Mommy!
Thank you, hero puppies. Team Laddu never gives up. Finally, food time!
You earned it, big guy.
Helping feels even better than treats.
Every day is a chance to help someone. Woof!